It's really exciting.
Today it's like finally coming to life.
Want to see something crazy?
And this was the moment of reflection, so that was nice. I think what I said probably came from the heart.
It went super cool because the team was super sensitive, helping you to express the idea of Miro.
Everyone is very helpful, friendly, super nice people. Everyone trying to make me better and feel it like home.
Nice, loved it. It's a wrap, everyone! Yay!